Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this simple spring animation in Solidworks. So let's start. First I am in the assembly mode. Now click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl+8 for normal screen to the view. Now first thing we are going to do is we are going to draw a corner rectangle, okay? You can make corner rectangle as big or long as per your requirement, okay? In my case I make it a simple cube of 100 by 100, okay? 100, and this thing is also 100. 50. Escape, select this and this by pressing Ctrl and click on midpoint. Delete. Okay, now go to the features, extrude, select the mid plane and extrude it to 100 mm. Click OK. So here we have one cube. Now exit this edit assembly component mode. Now by pressing Ctrl and right click on your mouse, drag this part. After that go to the mates, select this face and this face. Click OK. Similarly select this face and this face. Click OK. Now select the bottom of this face and select the top plane of the assembly. Click OK and select the right plane of the part and the right plane of the assembly. Click OK. Select this face, press Ctrl+8. Now zoom out, drag it upwards. Now here we are going to create our new part, that is basically the spring, and that we are going to do animation on it. So let's see how to approach this. So first click on here, click on new part, select the front plane. Okay, now make sure that you watch my steps carefully. First thing you have to do is draw the line. Make sure that you uncheck this. Okay, this time you have to uncheck this. So select this point and this point. After that press escape. Now exit the sketch mode. Again go to your part, select the front plane, click on sketch. Now draw a circle as I'm showing. Give it is basically the diameter of your spring wire. So let's say it is 5 mm. And give the distance as per your requirement from center of origin. Let's say it is 20 mm. Now go to the features, click on swept boss base. Okay, select this path. First exit the, go to the swept boss base. First asking for the circle profile. Uh, Here you can see I'm not able to pick it up. So first click on the rebuild icon. After that click on the swept boss base. Select this sketch and here select this one. Now go to the here, sorry, go to the options, click on specify twist value, click on revolutions, enter the revolutions, let's say 8. Okay, and click OK. After that what we are going to do is select the front plane, click on sketch and draw the sketch like this as I'm showing, and go to the features, click on extrude cut, click on through all both, click OK. So as you can see they are totally attached, these faces are totally attached with these cubes. Okay, and click on exit assembly component mode. Now select this face, press Ctrl+8. My question is how to animate it. So right click on create new motion. Now to do the animation what we're going to do is move your mouse up to 0 seconds and drag this straight line to 2 seconds. Okay, so I want to do the animation. What I can do is select this cube and move it downwards. After that click on calculate. As you can see it automatically adjusting the space as per the compression. and you can see the animation. If you increase the FPS rate, for example, let's say 30 seconds, basically the FPS is I have increased to 30 FPS. It means 30 frame per second. So in a single frame, in a single second, there are 30 photos. Okay. Now, as you can see, the animation is much better. And if I click on this playback segment, so I can see it's moving downwards and upward as well. Okay, so in that way we can make this compression spring animation in SolidWorks. So I hope you learned something from this video. For any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask any questions, and make sure that you check out my course on SolidWorks animation and motion analysis. If you want to learn how to do SolidWorks animation and motion analysis in SolidWorks, you will learn a lot of things. Course link in descriptions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.